Welcome back to Cooking with Ash. Today I will be showing you how to prepare this rich and delicious, very easy and simple Doodhpitty recipe. It's a very unique and traditional Guyanese recipe. So join me in the kitchen as I show you step by step on how to prepare this. Let's go. So here I have my milk. I am going to go ahead and add 1 cinnamon stick, a few cloves, and some nutmeg to this milk. And we're going to bring this up to a boil. You want this to like simmer up really nice, like all the flavor infused into this milk. While you can make Doodhpitty with, fresh roti dough, you can knead it. I have the recipe here. I'll drop the link below. This is day-old roti. This is how it was typically made. But, people start to use fresh roti dough to make it. So you just want to chip up your day-old roti, like break it up into pieces. And we're going to add this to our milk when it's ready. So you can sweeten your milk with some condensed milk or sugar. I'm going to use sugar because, that was how they used to make it back in the days. So I don't want to change the recipe too much. But if you want to be fancy and you prefer condensed milk, go ahead and use condensed milk. Chip up your roti like if you're going to chip up for dal and roti. I like a lot of cinnamon in mine. You can adjust it accordingly. I am going to go ahead and add my sugar here. And the sugar is to your sweetness preference. Like you can add more or less. And you want to incorporate that. It's starting to come up to a nice simmer. This mixture, I'm going to also add a little bit of mixed essence to this. If you don't have mixed essence, you can use vanilla. Now that this came up to a nice simmer, I'm going to go ahead and add my chip up roti, my roti pieces to this. And I'm going to boil this for about 5 minutes or so until the milk is, suck up all that goodness. The roti suck up all that goodness in the milk. Add all the crumbs and everything. So this is what it's looking like. Plate this up and serve. You get milk and roti or dal and roti. This is like a dal and roti combo, but it's milk and roti. Look at that. Doodhpitty is finished. It's nice and hot, and you want to serve this nice and hot. I'm going to go ahead and put it in our bowl. Plate this up nice and have one of the kiddies come and taste test it. So this is the first time I'm making it this way for them. So I'm curious to hear their thoughts on it, which one they like better. Late night snack, and I give Mr. Jingri to taste test because, the kids them are skeptical. Them Sally he tasted first when he eat this all he life growing up, but them why he tasted first for some reason. So dig in. How it tastes? Childhood or no?
It does.
Tastes like when your mama used to make them. So there guys, this is a very simple yet satisfying traditional recipe. I hope you guys give it a try and you enjoy it and it bring back fond memories for you. 10 out of 10 or 2 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
You better say that or just sleep outside tonight.
Stay
Stay blessed. See you guys soon.